We're seeing these sentiments being echoed on the streets of Kolkata. Protests have erupted in Kolkata over the passage of the Waqf bill in both the houses. Large gatherings have been seen on the streets and they are protesting against the passage of the bill. And it is not just in Kolkata. We're seeing similar scenes playing out also on the streets of Ahmedabad in Gujarat, while it was also the political party TVK of actor Vijay also demanding a repeal of the contentious bill. This is in regard to Vijay, the actor, also demanding the repeal while protesting in the state of Tamil Nadu. Here visuals on your screen of the protest that is taking place at the moment right after the Friday press. A large gathering of people has been seen carrying placards, and they have in fact said that this is going to be an absolutely a peaceful protest. So they are saying this is going to be a peaceful protest while putting forward their demands in regard to the sentiments that they are feeling at the moment in regard to the passage of the Waqf bill. The amendment bill, they feel, is a one-sided oppression of a particular community. So they're taking to the streets demanding that the government reconsider the passage of this bill. Shriyashi joining us from the streets of Kolkata. Shriyashi, get us a sense of exactly where is it that this large gathering that we see of people on the streets of Kolkata, where are you at and what are the demands that are being made by the protesters?
Well, we're getting these visuals for our viewers from Kolkata here in Park Circus. This is in the heart of the city, in south of Kolkata, and this is a 7-point junction. So 7 roads basically lead up to this point. It's an arterial road here in Kolkata, a very crucial junction here in the city. And after the Friday press, this area is Muslim dominated, and there are several mosques around this area. And after the Friday press, there was a call for protests against the Waqf amendment. And as you can see on your screens, protesters have come out in large numbers here. They're standing on tempo trucks. The roads essentially leading up to the mosque has been completely blocked and taken over by them, keeping their voice, keeping their viewpoints against the amendment on record. And on the other hand, a bit of a sticky situation for the police, which is trying to ensure there is no untoward law and order incident. You can see there the protesters are flocking in. They are raising their voice. You can see how they have gathered at the center of this junction. And of course, it's a regular day. It's a regular day of the week. Offices are open, schools are open, and this, of course, being a headache for those who are commuting through Park Circus in Kolkata at this point in time because of these protests, which were initially restricted to one side of the road, but now has been taken over this entire junction in Kolkata called Park Circus. But of course, the crux of these protests is the Waqf bill. The protesters say that they have certain inhibitions against the rules that have been altered in the Waqf bill by the central government. Remember, the Trinamool Congress here in West Bengal has been vehemently opposing the Waqf bill. Trinamool Congress MP Kalyan Banerjee, while taking part in that debate, in that discussion in the Lok Sabha, has called it anti-constitutional, has called it an attempt of the Modi government to divide and rule. And here we see the people from the minority community coming out in large numbers. They have certain reservations regarding the amendments that have been brought in by the central government. Point number one being that the Waqf board will now essentially have a non-Muslim person heading it as well, which was not the case earlier. This Waqf board was essentially controlled by the clerics and the Muslim community itself. Now, to tell our viewers what a Waqf is, these are essentially religious donations made, can be in form of money, can be in the form of land, and then these are used for social upliftment of the society. So on these lands that are donated to the Waqf, there can be hospitals, there can be schools, there can be orphanages, and for social services basically. But now they feel that now that the new amendments have been brought in, the centre is going to take away that land right from them. That is their inhibition, and that is why they are protesting. Now that the Waqf bill has been passed in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, what essentially remains is the assent from the president for it to become a law. So in that case, they say they will move the Supreme Court and they will fight against this law and they will demand for a rollback, because this law is something that the Muslim community here in West Bengal is refusing to accept. They are saying that it goes against their religious practice, and this is something that the Modi government is doing to usurp land. This is their allegation. But Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has come out in support of the Muslim community, saying that till she is in charge of the state, no one is going to touch them, no one is going to touch their land. That is an assurance that she has given to them, saying that it might be a BJP plot, but she will ensure that they are kept outside from the Waqf, land or the Waqf board. But what essentially needs to also be informed to the viewers is that West Bengal is gearing up for state assembly elections early next year. So, of course, this has become a hot political topic ahead of that election, where the BJP and Trinamool Congress are exchanging political words over this issue. Back to you.